All right, I'm going to share a cool little pro tip with you for fixing random Bluetooth pairing issues on your Mac. I have a pair of Bluetooth headphones here, and they're paired right now, but for some reason last night my Mac just refused to connect to these, no matter what. I could see them, it would list them as available here under my Bluetooth devices, but the connect button just didn't work, and no amount of restarting would solve the issue. When you run into these type of issues where you're technically doing everything right, but stuff just doesn't work, there's a command you can run in Terminal to reset your Bluetooth. I'll walk you through how to do this. First, I'll hit Command and Spacebar and search for Terminal. If you're not familiar, it's the command line tool. Very powerful for a lot of things. Once my terminal window is open, we're going to type in this command. I'll put this in the description so you can just copy-paste it from there. New macOS versions might warn you about pasting commands in Terminal for security reasons. You can either choose to paste it or just type it manually. Then you'll confirm with your password. And in case you're not familiar, Terminal never shows the password letters as you type them. Don't let that throw you off. Just type the entire password and hit Enter, or the return key. Running this command is basically like turning Bluetooth off and back on again, but at a much deeper system level. You'll see a short little moment where all your Bluetooth devices disconnect, and usually they reconnect after a few seconds on their own. You're basically using a command to force stop the Bluetooth daemon on your Mac, and macOS immediately restarts it. And this is useful for clearing out temporary glitches, stuck connections, lag, pairing issues, etc. It can help with headphones, mice and keyboards, and pretty much any Bluetooth device. Give it a go and let me know how it goes. And then click that like button if it helped. Thanks all, hit that subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you in the next video.